Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable app lock in your WhatsApp. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your WhatsApp. Now here, you can see three dots. You have to press on this. Now go to settings. Here you can see the option of privacy. Click on this. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of app lock. Press on this. Here you can see unlock with biometric. If you want to lock your WhatsApp, then you just have to turn on this button. Use your biometric. Set your lock time. Now go back. So this is how to enable app lock in your WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.